And here we are, yet another battery charge test. As I mentioned in the previous video, that the second time I charged the battery I recorded something else, so I'm now video recording the third time I'm charging. As you can see, this device no longer turns on as I completely depleted it again, and now I'm going to charge it, and I'm going to basically keep the time while I'm doing that. So here we go again, and I am now starting this, and as you can see, it will start to charge. So the first time I charged, it was 97 minutes from 0 to 100%. The second time I charged, it was 85 minutes, 12 minutes shorter, and both times I basically used the very same cable, the very same charger. So now we are going to measure for the third time. I believe it is going to be just like second time, so something maybe special is happening for the first time you charge the device, and the subsequent times maybe it shortens. So 85 minutes is a much better charging time than 97 minutes. And I will again record it at certain time points, like every 30 minutes, and at the 1 hour time point as well. So we will see what happens. It's about just 30 minutes that I started this, and let's check it. And here we see 51%. Okay, as you can see, this is faster than the first time. As I recall, at the 30 minutes, you cannot pretty much see it, 30 minutes time point when I charged it for the first time, it was about 40% charged, and now it is 50% charged. It is definitely faster this time. And by the way, I also initiated this. I noticed that this is a new watch that I haven't really used much, and the timer might not go, or the stopwatch might not go beyond 1 hour. So just in case, this is 2 minutes behind, so it's like basically 31 minutes. But basically it is charging faster, and I believe it's gonna finish in less than 1.5 hours, and this will be the regular charging time for this. So stay tuned for the 1 hour time point. It is just about 60 or 61 minute time point. Let's check the percentage. Yes, it is 90% charge. So 1 hour in 90%. I can't remember the exact number, but it was much less the first time I charged. This is the third time I'm charging, and I believe this is going to finish in 85 minutes or even less, and we will see about that. We are approaching the end of this test. It is 99% so far. As far as I know, last time I charged, when it reaches 100%, it actually will show up, so I'm not going to actually check it again. Again, this was like 2 minutes behind. So it's been 1 hour and 21 minutes. I don't know if you can see it here, so you just see the 21, but it's actually 1 hour and 21 minutes. So I believe it's gonna end pretty much at 1 hour and 25 minutes or 85 minutes, just like the second time. So this just basically means it's gonna be charging it from 0 to 100 in 85 minutes. And while we are waiting for it, let me show you a couple of things. First of all, the quick charge is mentioned here. As you can see, use the charger that comes with it, which is built to support quick charge 2.0. So the charging capability, fast charging capability, is not just phone dependent, as I said, also on the charging dependent, and there is actually a label for it. There is something called Underwriters Laboratories, and Qualcomm, the company that actually makes the CPU inside, which also implements the quick charge, gives the right to put certificate on the charger. And after this finishes, I'm gonna show you that UL label basically shows that the charger is quick charge enabled. Another charger like this phone here, I have an LG phone here, I don't know if you can see it, but it does not have any UL label on it, and therefore is not quick charge capable. So one of those days I will basically switch the end of the charger with this one and then also measure how fast it charges. Probably it's not gonna say fast charging anymore, so without quick charge 2.0 I will measure, I don't know if I will make a video of it, but I will measure the 0 to 100% charging. Basically the phone is quick charge capable, and the first charge is misleading. Somehow it needs to like, I don't know, prime the battery or make it ready or something, and then still 99%, and then it can charge faster. Yes, so let me stop it, and it's not gonna be finishing. Oh, okay, I just saw it. Actually, it just finished. Okay, so, and let me, oh shit, it was 1 hour and 23. Yes, so this was 2 minutes behind. It was 1 hour and 23 minutes, so it is 83 minutes. It's even 2 minutes faster than I measured for the second time. I don't know if it is gonna get shorter and shorter each time, but I don't think this is the case. It might be just like 1 or 2 minutes difference. Maybe it just got shorter. Oh, by the way, I never mentioned it, but how warm does it get during charging? Not much. I barely feel any warmth here. I feel a slight bit warmed here, but not much at the plug. And let me show you the label. See this UL? This is a UL, or Underwriters Laboratory certified charger, and in order for your phone, not just this ZTE Blade V8 Pro, but any phone, any Android phone with Qualcomm and Snapdragon inside, to be quick charge, to charge it with the quick charge capability, you need to use a charger of this sort, which has this UL label. The cable itself, I looked all around, the cable has no label on it, so I assume the cable is just a generic cable, but this charger needs to be, which means I believe if I were to connect this phone to, let's say, USB port like my desktop, it will probably charge slower, because without this charger, without this adapter, it won't enable quick charge. Again, I might test it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video about it, but basically yes, this concludes my test. This is the third time I charged this phone in 83 minutes, which is now much more in line with something like Samsung Galaxy 7 Edge, because it charges like in 1.5 hours, and it has also quick charge too, but it has a higher battery, a larger battery, so this is more in line with that. Oh, alright, I will finish the video right here, and thank you for watching.